How to use PlayStation Activity Cards feature. To use the PlayStation's Activity Card feature, first of all, launch PlayStation and then launch any game on your console. And while inside the game, press the physical PS button on your controller. Now, the controller center menu will slide up from the bottom of the screen, and directly above the bottom menu bar, you will see a row of large rectangular blocks. These are your activity cards. Now to manage and pin your cards, you simply have to open the control center and highlight an activity card. Press the options or the three lines on your controller, then select the pin to side option. The card will lock on to the left or right side of your screen in a split screen layout. This lets you watch a game help, walkthrough video, or track a checklist in real time while moving your character around. To remove it, you simply have to press the PS button again and highlight the pin card and select the unpin option. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.